In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to empty the trash on your iPhone in all the different areas. So first things first is going to be our Photos app. So open up your Photos app here on your device. And then you want to go down to the bottom to where you see Library and Collections. Tap on the Collections option there, and then just scroll down until you see the different options under Utilities. Now you need to be running the most recent version of iOS. This is iOS 26 or beyond. And then what you want to do is tap into Recently Deleted right there. If you have Face ID or a passcode, you'll have to go ahead and do that now to get into the folder. And then when you're here, you'll see the Recently Deleted photos within 30 days. After that, they delete automatically. In order to delete these, you tap the Select button in the upper right-hand corner. So Select, and then what you do is you tap the three dots there in the upper right-hand corner once again and go to Delete All. You can also recover them if you want to put them back into a regular library. Go ahead and go to Delete All. Go ahead and delete from all devices. And as you can see, that cleaned up your photos. Next, go to your Messages app, tap in the upper right-hand corner where the three lines are to filter out, and then go ahead and select Recently Deleted. Under Recently Deleted, you'll see all of your recently deleted text messages. Go ahead and tap your finger on the ones you want to remove, or you can take your finger and just tap and hold and slide all the way down to select all of them, and then you can tap the trash can icon in the lower right-hand corner and go to Delete however many messages there are, and that will empty the Messages trash can. Next, go ahead and open up your Files app. It's the white background with a blue file folder here. Go ahead and hit the back button in the upper left-hand corner until you get to this option here that says Browse. Scroll down to where you see Locations, and you'll see an option that says Recently Deleted with a trash can icon next to it. Tap on the Recently Deleted, and then you'll see all of your recently deleted files in your trash can. Tap the three dots in the upper right-hand corner. Go ahead and go to Select at the very top. Go ahead and either delete all at the bottom or individually select files like so. But I'm going to go ahead and go to Delete All, hit the delete button once more, and you are good to go. The next thing we're going to delete is in our Notes app. So open up Apple Notes. Go and tap the back arrow there in the upper left-hand corner until you get to your folders. Go ahead and scroll down until you see a section that says Recently Deleted. Tap into Recently Deleted. You'll see all of the recently deleted apps here in the trash can, and it will keep them for up to 30 days and then automatically delete them. But if you want to manually delete these notes, you'll tap the Edit button in the upper right-hand corner. Go ahead and tap the Delete All button in the lower right-hand corner, and then Delete Note or Notes, and you have cleaned that up. Next, we're in our Mail app or the Apple Mail app. Open up Apple Mail. Go ahead and if you're at your inbox here, tap the back arrow until you see the list of mailboxes here. Then you're going to want to see something that says Trash. Tap into Trash. You'll see all of your trash that are in the mail here. Go ahead and select in the upper right-hand corner. Select All in the upper left-hand corner, and then go ahead and hit the trash can icon in the lower right-hand corner. Delete all, and you are good to go. The last thing we want to do is go into Settings or our Settings app, go down to General. Once under General, you want to tap into iPhone Storage. Under iPhone Storage, it'll tell you the apps that are taking up the most space. As you can see, the list of my apps here. If you wanted to, you could go into those individual apps like this one here, and you can either delete the app if you no longer use it, or something you can also do is there are a lot of temporary files in these bigger apps. And if we go to Offload app, like you see I'm doing here, tap Offload, and then it'll give you the option to reinstall directly from this page, and that will remove a lot of those temporary files that you don't use and don't need that might be taking up space on your device. The last thing we can do is scroll all the way to the bottom here under iPhone Storage and look at a couple of different things. There is the iOS files, there's system files. If you tap into that, it tells you how much that's using, like Apple Intelligence. If you go back here under System Data, you can see under System Data, mine is very low because what I like to do is I restart my device, and normally that will clean out those temp files that have been accumulating since the last time you did so. That's it. That's how you clean the trash on your iPhone in all of the pertinent areas. I'll have a pinned comment below with some frequently asked questions. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.